Good morning and welcome you all, my dear students. I am just going to explain the second part of the story, The Enemy. The story highlights how a Japanese doctor saves the life of an American prisoner of war and rises above narrow national prejudices. He risks his honor, his career, position, his family, and life by sheltering a war of prisoner of the enemy camp, saving his life. Author has beautifully portrayed the conflict in the doctor's mind as a private individual and as a citizen with a sense of national loyalty. This story takes place on a coastal town of Japan in the year 1941 when Japan attacked Pearl Harbor. War was going on between Japan and America. Japanese were hostile to the Americans and ready to kill any American found in their soil. So, this story, The Enemy, gives the message that humanism transcends all man made prejudices and barriers. Dr. Sadao upholds the ethics of medical profession in treating an enemy. The story is a great lesson of peace, love, sympathy, fellow feelings, and humanism. And the main characters of this story are Dr. Sadao Hoki, who was an eminent Japanese surgeon trained by Americans. Dr. Sadao's father, he was very much concerned about his education and he was a true patriot. He wanted to see him as a well-known surgeon. Hannah, his wife, met in America, became friends, and got married in Japan. Tom, in this story, he was an American prisoner of war, a soldier of US Navy. Next character is the old general who was a sick Japanese army general, needed an operation, trusted only Dr. Sadao. So in first part I have already explained you about the old general, General Takima, who had complete trust on Dr. Sadao. So he didn't send Dr. Sadao with the troop because he needed an operation. So this shows dereliction of his duty, that he was self-centered. He was just thinking about his own health, own welfare. So dear students, as I have already told you, Dr. Sadao was a Japanese surgeon who studied in America and returned with Hana, a Japanese girl whom he met there. But he didn't take decision in hurry to marry her. After the consent of his father, he married her because she was a Japanese girl. Japan and yes, now I am going to continue. Sorry for interruption. One night into the eventful life came an American Navy man. What happened? One evening when Dr. Sadao and his wife both were standing just on his railing. Then they saw something was crawling. उन्होंने देखा कि कोई चीज क्रॉल होके आ रही है. It was getting dark, so they couldn't understand who could be. After that they realized it was a man. फिर उनको महसूस हुआ ये कोई व्यक्ति है. Who was crawling, staggering, and after that the person he staggered a few steps. Then he fell down. Both bent in order to see. Then they found he was unconscious. When they removed his cap, then they saw that US Navy, it was written on his cap in faint letters. So now this was clear that the wounded person was an American. So dear students, I am just giving you some value points of the story which I explained till now. Dr. Sadao Hoki, a Japanese surgeon, finds a wounded American soldier on the beach near his house. He was unable to throw him back into the sea, though he was his enemy. When Dr. Sadao and Hannah, they saw the person in a very critical condition, couldn't decide what to do with him. Dr. Sadao, he couldn't decide. There was dilemma in his mind what to do with him. Whether he should save the life of that person who was his enemy or let him die. उनको समझ नहीं आ रहा था इस व्यक्ति को बचाया जाए या फिर उसको उसके हाल पे छोड़ दिया जाए. Whether he should be loyal towards his nation or profession. Nation, he was a Japanese, he was a true patriot. अगर यहाँ पर नेशन को सर्वोपरि माना जाए तो उस व्यक्ति को नहीं बचाना चाहिए. बट बीइंग ए सर्जन, it was his moral obligation to save the life of that person. So he was unable to throw him back into the sea, though he was his enemy. हालांकि उनका एनिमी था, लेकिन उसको वापस उसमें समुद्र में डालने का साहस नहीं हो पाया. Being a doctor, his first and foremost duty was to save a life. Hannah, his wife, though initially reluctant, joins her husband. In the beginning, Hannah was not willing to save the person. She suggested let him live on the mercy of his fate. Let him throw back into the sea. But after that, it was humanity. They decided to carry the person, to take the person into their house. So it is very dangerous to keep the enemy in his house. अब उस व्यक्ति को अपने घर में रखना ये बहुत रिस्की था. Now Dr. Sadao was taking risk of his life, his career, अपने करियर की, अपने लाइफ की, अपने फैमिली की और अपने जीवन की वो रिस्क ले रहे हैं. ही वॉज टेकिंग रिस्क, सो इट वॉज डेंजरस. अगर उसको अपने घर में वो शेल्टर देते हैं तो ये देशद्रोह का मामला है, और अगर उस व्यक्ति को नहीं बचाते हैं सो दिस शोज डिसलॉयल्टी टुवर्ड्स हिज प्रोफेशन. सो ही कुडंट डिसाइड व्हाट टू डू और what to do with that person. Finally, they decided to save the life of that man. So see the students, I am just telling you that when Hannah and Dr. Sadao and Hannah both were standing on their veranda and just bending through railing, they saw that something was crawling. उनको लगा कोई ब्लैक ब्लैक सी चीज़ है जो कुछ क्रॉल होके आ रही है. दे कुडंट अंडरस्टैंड बिकॉज इट वॉज गेटिंग डार्क. पहले उनको लगा शायद कोई फिशरमैन होगा. इट वॉज गेटिंग डार्क और उसको वो छूट गया होगा और उसको बोट नहीं मिली होगी. माइट बी पॉसिबल फिशरमैन वॉज देयर एंड आउट ऑफ क्यूरियसिटी दे वेंट टू सी द पर्सन. उसके बाद दोनों जाके देखते हैं. देन दे फाउंड ही वॉज अ प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर. जाके देखा तो वो व्यक्ति जो है बहुत बुरी तरह से घायल है. ही वॉज wounded badly and he was wearing a battered hat. एक कैप है जो बहुत बैटर्ड हो चुकी है और उसमें फेंट लेटर्स में लिखा था US नेवी. When they removed his hat, then they found that he was an American, a white man. Cap fell away. There was his wet yellow hair they saw and long beard because it had not been cut. Upon his young and tortured face, he was a young, hardly 18 years old. He was unconscious, knew nothing that they did for him. Now Sadao remembered the wound and with his expert fingers, he began to search for it. In first part, I have already told you that Dr. Sadao got perfection. He made a discovery to clear the wound entirely. So his expert fingers, when he searched, he began to search for it. Blood flowed freshly. Blood started flowing at his touch. On the right side of his lower back, Dr. Sadao found that a gun wound had been reopened. ये जो जख्म था ये रीओपन हो गया था and blood started flowing and flesh was blackened with powder, gun powder. Sometimes, not many days ago, the man had been shot and had not been tended. It was bad chance that the rock had struck the wound. So he was bleeding profusely. So this was the situation when they couldn't decide, couldn't take decision what to do or not. Bewilderment. एक कन्फ्यूज़न था कि ये व्यक्ति क्योंकि एक अमेरिकन है जो घायल है बट हिज लाइफ वॉज इन डेंजर. डॉक्टर सदाओ को ये नहीं समझ आया कि वो अपने देश के प्रति लॉयल्टी दिखाएं या अपने प्रोफेशन के प्रति. सो फाइनली ही डिसाइडेड टू टेक द पर्सन इनटू हिज हाउस टू सेव हिज लाइफ. So dear students, I hope you can understand well and keep watching all parts of the video for better understanding. Give your comment, compliment or if any question, any doubt you can ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.